What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This week I'm gonna be showing this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I traded last week. You understand? I didn't really trade that much, so let me don't even take much of your time. Let me just put the you can see in the screen. This is how my progress have been with that my equity edge account. So nothing really much. I can't be. I would have liked to show you more on how I traded last week, but it's kind of rough. It's kind of rough. The impatience, the indiscipline, and everything. It was kind of rough. So that's why I just like to put the dashboard on the screen. So guys, what's important here right now is I want to be showing you some things I did that was really shocking to me. So on the pair GBP USD, so let me show you on my chart how I did some kind of strategy and how you can be watching. If it's helpful to you, maybe how you can be seeing your chart for next week. So let's stick around. So let me show you some things in this chart. So basically, I start from the daily time frame. Yeah, I start from the daily time frame. So if you look at the daily time frame, you definitely see that the the market has been rallying up for a while. It has been rallying up. So now the market gets to this point, which is the highest point, and then it starts to reject that from that place. And basically, we all know since this market is rejected from that place, you can see what we call a head and neck kind of pattern, and then displays to the downside. So definitely this is a retracement back to this point, and then I believe this market is still gonna keep heading down. So definitely, once since we know all this that's going to be happening in this market from next week, so you can see from here another thing I want to show you guys. You can see from here that this is the previous low on the daily time frame, this place, and then this is a break of structure to the downside. So therefore, this this place is the highest high, then a sell off, a retracement to this zone, a sell off which lead to break of structure, and then this is another retracement which cause another zone here. Basically, how do you regard those zone? We regard it as a higher high, higher low, another higher high, higher low, um higher high. So there's gonna be higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. There's still definitely gonna be next higher low. So guys, and there's a break of structure right here. You can see this place I marked that is a break of structure to the downside, and then this place is a retracement from this sell off that happened from here. So this place is a retracement back. So therefore, let me just delete all these things, and then if you are a real trader who really understand trading, you already know from here that you already know what to do from here. Yeah, you already know what to do from here. So therefore, I just mark out my trend line because sometimes I like using trend line, sometimes I like using trend line. So if this candle makes the last higher high of the movement, so and this place is the lowest of the movement, so therefore we know definitely that this market is gonna be coming back down. So let's scale down to like 4 hour time frame. So let's basically now we are going to be looking for a way to enter this market, which we know as entry. So 4 hour time frame, according to some legend that do sniper entry. This place, these are the marker their zones. They do it like this. They take it up and then they will just put a selling order from here, and then their stop loss will be above this high, and then their target will be at this zone, which is that like 1:4. So basically, let's say I've already missed the setup. I already missed that entry from that zone, so now I have to look for a way to get another entry. So let's delete this. So since I've missed entry from that zone, um I'll definitely be waiting for this market to break this zone. Definitely wait for this market to break this zone on the 4 hour time frame. Then once this zone is being taken out, then I'll wait for this market to just break the zone and then give me that little retracement. I just take the sell to the downside. So what I'll basically do, so I don't miss entry from this um zone, I'll just basically scale down to 1 hour time frame to refine the entry. Yeah, yes, this is what I like. This is what I love. You can see from here, this market retrace to this zone. You can see, which we know as an order block or so, which which is caused by this. If you scale down to more lower time frame, you see that this place is a break of structure to the downside, and then this pullback came to take this order block, and definitely this market is going to continue selling downward. So, and probably this is weekend, not probably, definitely this is weekend. This is on Saturday, so I can't trade. I'm not sure if I can wake up if I can wait maybe around 12 before market opening to take this trade, and I'm not sure if I will meet this market in this place. I don't know, but what I'll just do, I'll just advise, if you want to follow me, put your sell, that's oh what am I reading, oops, just put your selling order from here, then your stop loss just above this place, that's about 40 piece. Jeez, right? Then your target should be at this point. That's my advice to anyone who would likes to join me in this sell in this market. But for me, I'm gonna be targeting more than that place. My target is gonna be at this point, which is about 1:4. That is what I'm just thinking about. But definitely, I will take some partials at this point. I'll leave the rest to play out to this point. So the analysis part, you can see, it's very nice, like it's very easy. So what is important here is this candle, is this market to break below this place, and then we look for entries, then we see if we can ride it downward. So that is my take on this pair. So guys, let me also show you some analysis on let me show you some analysis on euro usd. So definitely, let's start from the daily time frame. I've those the analysis here. I don't want to delete because I'm in this trade already, so I wouldn't like to delete this my analysis. So let me just explain to you how I arrive at this point. You can see from the daily time frame, the break of structure we have been having, break of structure, a break of structure. So this is, what is this? This was the highest high that lead to a break of structure. This another high that leads to a break of structure. Now this one was massive sell, so that leads to a retracement, which is this high right here. Now that's going to be leading to either break of structure, or it will just respect this zone. That's this zone. It will just respect this zone, and then maybe go up or just continue going down. So that is what my take on Euro USD. So guys, we'll definitely see how it plays next week. So this trade, I've already put my orders at this point, because if you look at this 4 hour time frame on this particular zone, you see that there was a range. I'm supposed to be in this market. From somewhere around here. I'm supposed to put my sell limit at this point. Because you can see I'm supposed to put my sell limit at this point, then put my stop loss at the highs of the previous high. Then my target is supposed to be somewhere around there. That's about 1.2. But definitely I don't know. Should I say I was scared to take the trade, or I did notice earlier. So but now I've noticed, and what I'm going to be doing is just patiently wait for a good way to enter this market. So I just waited for this market to break this zone. As you can see, the market broke the zone, and then it go close to my entry, and then I'm waiting for the market to tap me at that zone, and then continue selling that one. Yeah, you guys might be wondering, why do I put this entry at this zone and not somewhere else? Like what I do is that I just mark out this candle from the highs to the lows like this. Then I just mark out the 50%, because most of the time market do retrace 50% of the time. So I just mark out the 50%, and then I put my entry at that point. So what happened next? we shock us. It's either it taps me in and then stop me out, or it taps me in and then continue selling downward. But all the way, risk management will always defend us, because I've risked wisely on this setup. So let's just see how it plays next week. So why am I more confident in this setup is because there was a fundamental news that this trade tariff war and everything has, it's kind of, some settlement is coming up on the issue. So definitely I just believe the USD is kind of having some kind of strength. You understand? It's having some strength, and therefore the quote currency, which is the euro, GBP, AUD, other currency pair, are going to be definitely selling for now. So since they are selling for now, we just have to follow the trend and then make some money and take care of ourselves. Yeah. So let me show you DSY. Let's see what's happening on DSY, because DSY is this stock, or okay, is the index, US dollar currency index, that do back the US dollar. So let's see what's happening on the DSY. Yeah, definitely this is what is going to be happening. You can see the break of structure it has been forming, and that is a retracement kind of ranging, and then this market, I know it can just maybe come back to this zone, and then the next thing, boom, it's gonna boom to the upside. So that's what I believe. You understand? That's just the probability of what we believe is gonna be happening. Right? Please, if I can really drop this camera, please, I will kneel down for you guys to see. Please, I'm on my knees. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You being subscribing to my YouTube channel will really make me serious on these videos I'm uploading on YouTube channel. It will really make me happy, and I want to do more. I want to upload. And please, guys, anywhere you find not okay, please feel free to comment in the comment section what the kind of video I'm posting. And sorry for the noise, the children in my house, they play too much. So please, guys, comment in the comment section where you know I made mistake, and where the video is not okay to watch, and where I made mistake. Please, guys, just subscribe to the YouTube channel and help me, guys. I want to grow, and I want everyone under my community, my members who are watching up to me, to also grow as well. Thank you guys. Peace out.